Ariva has become one of the most moving and beneficial computerized resources of this fall. The improvement group calls it a token for sightseers. In this video, we consider different market suppositions on ARV exchanging points of view and investigate different Ariva long-haul cost estimates. How does Ariva function? Ariva is a BEP20 token created utilizing Binance Chain Organization. The cryptographic money is centered around making a trip, to be more exact, on neighborhood and global the travel industry. Ariva is a venture that carries digital currency nearer to this present reality. Zeroing in on the travel industry, Ariva offers voyagers an extraordinary encounter of going all over the planet by furnishing a simple method for paying with cryptographic money. The objective of the Ariva group is to make a worldwide travel network that would permit sightseers both to spend digital money, for instance, on booking convenience, and to get rewards. The last option is intended for the individuals who choose to share their movement encounters with others. The Ariva blockchain biological system comprises of 3 parts, every one of them are being developed at the hour of composing. Ariva.world. It is a gateway where crypto migrants can track down a reasonable proposition and pay for it. All that will be accessible on the release board, room reservations, vehicle rental administrations, guides for recruiting, and keepsakes for requesting. Ariva.finance. Friendliness organizations can coordinate Ariva.finance into their sites or applications, offering guests exchanges with negligible expenses. With the assistance of the help, clients will actually want to make installments as simple as ABC, check the QR code, and the assets will be credited to the merchant immediately. Ariva.club. It is an informal organization where migrants can share their movement encounters and leave surveys about foundations. By sharing their impressions and content, notes, photographs, or recordings, sightseers will actually want to guarantee rewards. ARV specialized investigation. While examining future exchanging chances of computerized monetary forms, you ought to always remember to consider the assessments of crypto market specialists and focus on market feelings. Presently, we should investigate what dealers and crypto lovers anticipate from Ariva, ARV, later on. The information is given by the Crypto Insightful. Ariva Value Expectation 2022. As per the specialized examination of Ariva costs expected in 2022, the base expense of Ariva will be $0.00015. The greatest level that the ARV cost can reach is $0.00017. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $0.00016. ARV value conjecture for September 2022. In light of the value variances of Ariva toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the typical ARV pace of $0.00015 in September 2022. Its base and most extreme costs can be anticipated at $0.00013 and at $0.00015, separately. October 2022, Ariva value figure. Digital currency specialists are prepared to declare their figure for the ARV cost in October 2022. The base exchanging cost may be $0.00014, while the greatest could reach $0.00016 during this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of Ariva may be around $0.00015. ARV value figure for November 2022. Crypto experts have actually looked at the value variances of Ariva in 2022 and in earlier years, so the normal ARV rate they anticipate may be around $0.00015 in November 2022. It can drop to $0.00015 as a base. The greatest worth may be $0.00016. December 2022, Ariva value gauge. Around mid-year 2022, the ARV cost will be exchanged at $0.00016 overall. December 2022 could likewise observe an expansion in the Ariva worth to $0.00017. It is accepted that the cost won't drop lower than $0.00015 in December 2022. Ariva Value Expectation 2023. After the examination of the costs of Ariva in earlier years, it is accepted that in 2023, the base cost of Ariva will be around $0.00023. The greatest expected ARV cost might be around $0.00027. By and large, the exchanging cost may be $0.00024 in 2023. Ariva Value Expectation 2024. In light of the specialized examination by digital money specialists in regards to the costs of Ariva, in 2024, ARV is supposed to have the accompanying least and most extreme costs, about $0.00033 and $0.0004, separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is $0.00034. Ariva Value Forecast 2025. The specialists in the field of digital currency have dissected the costs of Ariva and their changes during the earlier years. It is expected that in 2025, the base ARV cost could drop to $0.00048, while its greatest can reach $0.00056. By and large, the exchanging cost will be around $0.00049. Ariva Value Forecast 2026. In view of the examination of the expenses of Ariva by crypto specialists, the accompanying most extreme and least ARV costs are normal in 2026, $0.00086 and $0.0007. By and large, it will be exchanged at $0.00072. Ariva Value Expectation 2027. Crypto specialists are continually breaking down the vacillations of Ariva. In light of their forecasts, the assessed typical ARV cost will be around $0.001. It could drop to at least $0.00099. Yet it actually could reach $0.001 all through 2027. Ariva Value Forecast 2028. Consistently, cryptographic money specialists plan estimates at the cost of Ariva. It is assessed that ARV will be exchanged somewhere in the range of $0.001 and $0.002 in 2028. Its typical expense is normal at around $0.001